Oh boy. Yeah, I know that's what I should have waited. I could have came back, and when I stopped here, instead of buying the Duramax, oh, look at this. Look at this, man. It's got 2 miles on it. I know. I have a problem. Look at this right here, man. Oh my God. Like this thing, I love the seats. Recaro seats. Man, this feels really good too. I wish it was a manual though. Fuck.
Yeah.
I mean, I like the lines.
Yeah, I just hate driving up here. Like it's I don't mind driving up behind the car.
Like the red. At least it has the paddles, but I don't know, man. What do y'all think? I mean, I can't get rid of Beast yet, but I could buy another one. Let me know what you guys think. ZL1 or no ZL1? This Alcantara steering wheel. Oh, you couldn't even put it on the headliner? That's cool. At least there's Alcantara over here. Look at that. Yeah? See, it was at this moment that I should have known. I should have just said, nope, nope, nah, hell no, and just walked away.
Oh, it's dead? We'll put them on a triple charger.
Yep.
We'll put them on a triple charger usually. I don't know why we do. Oh. Dead?
Yep.
Or you may have to get in it. Sometimes if they've been if someone started it and then shut it off, it won't.
People,
no, it's dead. No?
No, it's good.
Man.
It's lighting up.
Yeah, everything's lighting up. Hey, look, my shirt.
I was 100% interested in this 2020 ZL1, and it has on the showroom floor, there's nothing on. This is not on. This is off. The wipers are just on. It wouldn't start, and then it just started doing all this other stuff. It's literally, they say it might be a battery, and I would give it the benefit of a doubt, but this is a 2020 hero car. This is your ZL1. Why isn't this being started every day? It won't even start. And now the wipers are just doing their own thing. This is hilarious. All right, guys, I know I'm probably not going to hear the end of this, but I'm considering buying this ZL1 today. Now, when I came through here before going to Vegas, when I stopped and hung out with Randy the first time this was here, the numbers on this car have got better since then. This is a 2020 ZL1, and I literally just gave them my info, and we're going to see if I'm able to make a deal on it. I am not really a Camaro guy, though. I'm not a Corvette guy either, but this thing is just butter. I mean, it's just butter. Battery's dead, though. Go figure. I know y'all are saying, walk away, electrical issues. Walk away, run, run. But this thing looks amazing. Boy, look at that. LT4 supercharger on deck. This thing right here would be an absolute monster.
Jump started.
Yeah. You got the keys, right? All right. Yes, sir. That'd be great. Oh, it won't?
Nope.
Oh.
That's okay. You go ahead and get it. Let me get the phone.
Ah.
Hold your phone.
Yeah.
I can hold your phone and my phone.
That'll work.
Yours recording already? Yeah.
Randy was back there holding it. We got full voltage, right? Everything, it should start, right? It says action required, start vehicle. Keys are right here. All right, it knows it's the keys, right? Start. Nothing. Nothing at all. It's just dead. And it's on a big ass box. It's got plenty of power. I've got off the brake, on the brake. I've reset going through the gears. Nothing. It won't start. And they want 70, basically 67,000 for this car. And I'm like, take my money. I'm sitting here, am I lying? I'm like, take my money.
Yeah.
And now I'm like, I'm good. Uh-oh. What?
You may just have to look, okay, here's what you do. Turn the ignition off, shut the door, just leave it set for a while, and give it time for that thing to pump up the battery. Yeah, you're just going to shut it down and close it up.
All right.
And let that booster pack. Is the ignition off?
Yep. It's all the way off. Do that. Like that.
Started since the thing got parked on the floor. That is a shame.
Yeah.
That's the only one I got too.
Yep. Had a few folk
Number off that, that's a sold vehicle. Like it's got side steps, had a service tag in there to pipe that.
Oh no, I wasn't trying to buy that. I was just trying to say like mine's exactly as that. I'm wondering what that sold for, or whatever it was for sale for. Oof.
Is it going to run?
I doubt it.
Or is it a fail? Let's see.
Whew, look at this stuff coming out.
For 650, 650.
You know, I seriously considered buying this thing, and then all I could hear in my mind was, no, nope, nope, don't do it, nope. Uh-oh. What am I doing here? Sorry. I'm on my Mick thing today. So we're at Schumacher Chevrolet right now, here in I guess this would be called West Palm Beach. And we're gonna take a look at a couple of I have a need for a sports car. So guys, I've been looking all over for this car, and I kind of got snake bitten by it when I saw it out in Oklahoma City. And then that one wouldn't start. And, you know, you guys keep giving me the comments in the comment section about the GM quality and how crap GM is. But I am really starting to believe what y'all are saying, because this one wasn't good either. Comment below, what kind of sports car should I be looking at? And I'm not looking for a regular sports car. I'm looking for a hero car. This thing right here was a beautiful car, pretty, but just a big disappointment. And it's the second one. And for anybody that's looking at these, and I have some good friends that are, don't do it. Because, I don't know, 2 on the showroom floor?